Connectivity is an amazing thing. We're all used to having the world at our fingertips and buying, choosing, or posting anything, anywhere. We're connected like never before. But how does it work? How do we make a reservation, book a flight, or buy insurance with just a few clicks? The engine under the hood powering our connected world is an Application Programming Interface, or API. But what exactly is an API? Well, we could use a lot of fancy words like interoperability, modular programming, or abstraction layers. But to speak plainly, an API is the messenger that takes requests and tells a system what to do, then sends its response back. Imagine an API as a waiter in a restaurant. You are sitting at a table with a menu to order from. The kitchen will prepare your order. What's missing is the critical link that communicates your order to the kitchen and delivers your food to your table. That's where the waiter, or API, comes in. They are the messenger that takes the order or request. They relay it to the kitchen or system and then deliver the response, in this case the food, back to the right table. The waiters don't know how to cook food, just like the API doesn't need to know about our underlying systems, but they are essential for our restaurant to work effectively. Now that we've whet your appetite, let's apply this to a real API example. When buying insurance online, just like in the restaurant example, you have a menu of options to choose from. In this case, it's a drop-down menu, where you choose the type of cover, destination, dates, etc. Traditionally, this form would connect to our pricing tool, point to point, in a way that isn't often reusable or shareable. But what if you're not using Zurich's website that has direct access to our pricing engine? What if you're using a website like Booking.com that offers travel insurance as an add-on to your holiday booking? Booking.com or any other online service can connect and interact directly with our travel API. Just like your helpful waiter, the API can then exchange information with Zurich, enabling you to buy insurance, make a claim, or access a service provided by Zurich or one of its partners. In this case, the API returns the quote to Booking.com, which then displays it to you directly in their website or app. APIs enable us to embed our insurance and services with partners, but we can also use them within Zurich too, enabling us to share and reuse digital capabilities across the group. So whenever you think of an API, think of it as your waiter, running back and forth between applications, databases, and devices to deliver data and create the connectivity that puts the world at our fingertips. If you're thinking of building or using an API, speak to us in GTO Integration Services. We've got an API platform to host and manage your APIs, and a collection of services to help you create a winning API, and our API Exchange, where both internal and external users can discover and try out Zurich's growing number of APIs. Find out more here. https://zurich.io/API